Yeah, here we have a Baldor bench belt sander. And it appears to be a 2-inch by 48-inch. The model number is 248-153TD. It is 1.5 horsepower. It is 208, 230, or 460 volt 3-phase. It appears to be unused. It's in very good condition. The box, however, wasn't in good condition, so we opened it up and we did a little inspection on it. We found there was really nothing wrong with the unit. There's a little thumb screw right here. The tip on it's bent, and it appears that for some reason this plate right here is a little lopsided. It's not a big deal. You can probably change it out. There's no broken parts on it or anything like that. It's still on its original miniature pallet here and had a big box around it. In any case, what we're going to do is we have it powered up, so we're going to fire it up for you to show you that it does operate. It tracks very well. Runs great. So there you have it, the Baldor bench grinder. And we thank you for looking at our product.